welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina here today, and in this video I want to talk to you about hair. Well, there will be several videos hair related, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Well, today I want to talk to you about hair scrubs, scalp scrubs, and also the peel. I want to talk about the difference between the two so you could know better which one you need. Now, the correct, the way to clean our hair and scalp particularly, to clean it very well is very important, as we all know. Unfortunately, sometimes we really forget about the scalp, concentrate on the hair, and a lot of impurities and dirt. We're simply unable to clean it, wash it off with the shampoo. Especially if you are using hydrating, moisturizing, nourishing shampoos 2-in-1 for colored hair, they all contain lots of silicones. And that's a problem because we are unable to properly wash the silicones off our hair, right? Now, as a result, we do not have healthy looking hair. Our hair looks like more dull, greasy, or even oily. So finally, what can we do? Well, there are two things we could do. We could either use hair peel or dermabrasion technique or treatment. We could find these products on the market, of course, and we could also buy some professional products. These products need to be used on a regular basis. I will just talk about it in a few seconds. So peel or dermabrasion works in several ways. First of all, it's deep cleansing. And all this dirt that accumulates on our scalp, products that you might be using, the shampoo you're not even washing off your hair properly, all this could even lead to seborrheic dermatitis and dandruff. Deep cleansing using the scalp dermabrasion will help to kind of get rid of the excess sebum that is in turn caused by the clogged glands on your scalp. So it's like a cycle. See, you're not washing off, you're not washing your scalp properly. And even if you do, as I've mentioned, some of the products like silicones are very hard to wash off completely off your hair and scalp. Now, that causes the hair, the glands to get clogged, and you have more sebum and oil production, and this means that you just noticed that you used to wash your hair every third day, and now you wash it every second day, or even want to wash it every day. All in all, this dermabrasion technology really helps to restore a healthy look of your scalp and hair by accelerating scalp skin surface regeneration through exfoliation and build up around the hair follicles. Now, if you're suffering from dandruff frequently, you might really consider the scalp dermabrasion because it helps you to get rid of dandruff and even prevent from having it. The fungus that triggers the dandruff can also be eliminated during this peeling dermabrasion procedure. Additionally, peeling is not only the cleansing, it's also scalp massage, which, as we all know, the scalp massage improves the blood circulation, the blood flow to the hair follicles. And what does it mean? It means that your hair is more nourished, they get more oxygen. It's very important for proper hair growth, and definitely it will help with hair loss as well. I will be making a video about how to properly wash your hair and also how to make the greatest scalp massage for the hair growth. So stay tuned for those two videos. So this is all about the peeling. Now the main difference between this and a scrub is that peeling is the chemical exfoliator, will have like watery or gel-like consistency. Scrub will offer you physical exfoliation with some gritty texture. You can also make your scrub, the DIY hair scrub at home. I have a few recipes, but I think the peeling is something you better find probably the professional products if you really want it to work. Now, the second main difference between the scrub and the peeling, the scrub, because it's physical exfoliation, is an absolute no for people who have sensitive skin or excessive dry skin. I think I will have to make a video about different types of your scalp. It's same as with your face, normal, sensitive, and oily. It's important to know that because only this way you could find a better shampoo and hair care routine. As I've mentioned, peeling is for everybody, and especially for people who have sensitive skin. Now, people who really love to style their hair with different styling products, especially hairsprays with strong hold, they use the products for volume. They absolutely need to include the scrub into their hair routine. The reason is that it is very, very hard to wash all those products off your hair and scalp completely, especially the scalp, of course, in this case. So don't be afraid that scrubs will not wash off your hair. You know, there is, I think, fear of that because you put a lot of things inside of the gritty things, and then don't worry, they are formulated specifically so you could easily remove them. It is very important for you, if you purchase the product on the market, to read the instructions carefully and follow them. Because sometimes you might think that more is better. It isn't. And a lot of more like natural brands like Kiehl's, Vichy, Lush, Niaxine, they have products from like dermabrasion and also the scrubs. I wanted to mention how often you need to use this type of products. It will entirely depend on how often you wash your hair. So if you wash your hair every day, you would need to use scrub or peeling 4 or 5 times a month. There are also peeling masks, some with some dermabrasion benefits, and even shampoos. So again, follow the instructions, but it's not a shampoo you would use daily, only 4 or 5 times a month. If you wash your hair every second day, you would use them about 4 times a month. If you wash your hair every third day, it will be 2-3 times a month. And now finally, if you wash your hair every 4th day, you could use it 1 or 2 times a month. Now there is a product by Niaxine. It's a scalp renew dermabrasion treatment for your hair, for your scalp, and you can only use it every 30 to 45 days. So this is very important. You do not want to do more harm. So guys, I hope this information was helpful. Now we do know why we need to use the scrubs, who can use the peeling, dermabrasion, how often we need to use that, and who would specifically benefit, right, from either one of them. Scrubs are easier to find on the market though, I would say. So as I've mentioned, some professional products might be more satisfaction to you. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, stay tuned for the other videos about hair care that I'm going to upload very soon. All the best, guys. See you later.